Albert Lopez, and today we're going to tackle about equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium is a state of balance where opposing forces cancel each other out, resulting in no net change over time. There are many types of equilibrium. There are dynamic equilibrium and static equilibrium. For example, a person running on its place is an example of dynamic equilibrium because they are in motion but the net force in their body is zero. Soda can. Before opening, CO2 gas enters the liquid and leaves the liquid at the same rate, creating equilibrium. Book on a table at rest. Here, the weight of the book reaction force exerted from the table and the book cancel each other out, thus keeping the book in static equilibrium. Did you know that equilibrium comes from a Latin word libra, which means weight and balance?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Clark Adam Alferez. We will going to talk about heat and temperature. Many people think they are the same, but they are actually different. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold an object is. It tells us how fast the particles are moving. Meanwhile, heat is the energy that moves from a hot object to a cold object. For example, when you hold a warm cup of coffee, heat moves from the cup to your hand. And the temperature of the cup tells us how hot the coffee is. Temperature is a measure using a thermometer, usually in degrees Celsius. Heat is measured in joules or calories. And that's our lesson about heat and temperature.
Kinematics. What is kinematics? Kinematics is a branch machines concerned with motions of objects without reference to the forces of motions. Example, a stone. A stone thrown upwards due to gravity. It stops at the highest point and falls down downward.